Hi fans. I'm Angel Mercado, and now I cooked pork chop fillet with potato and cabbage. That's why I call this recipe because usually our pork chop fillet is a whole pork chop, but this one, the pork chop, I was cut it into cube pieces, and that's why I called pork chop fillet with potato and cabbage. Now first, heat the pan and add oil. Then, after we add oil, if the pan was heated, just put the onion. Tingnan mo muna sila isa. Yan. Put the onions. Then, okay, just saute it. Huwag mo siya ding galaw-galaw kasi parang dahan-dahan. Then, after the onion, then the garlic. Baliktad pala. First, tama. And first the garlic and second is the onion. That's why onion. And then next your menu has a pork chop. You can buy pork chops in Mercado, groceries, and dry market or wet market. It's either if you want to buy it. And it's also available in Monterrey, right? Diba? And also Talipapa. And then, I've already put the meat, our pork. Make sure that your pork is tender and hindi siya masyadong ma-cholesterol because cholesterol, baka kasi magkaka-high blood tayo yan. And then, just saute it. Make sure that your fire was normal, not high, but it is a normal or in a medium. Hayaan po natin siyang mag-simmer po yung pork natin para sa tenderizer and malambot na karne na makukuha natin dito. And para sa masarap na karne, kailangan muna natin siyang ibabad because before I chop it, binabad ko muna siya. I was marinated before I put it in there. I was marinated it 2 to 1 hour. Pero pwede rin na 1 hour lang. Dito kalay siya. Dito kalay sa gilid. Then, once if your pork was, if you notice, once the pork was already changed into its color, then we put the, what we call potato or patatas. Okay, just put chopped potato. If you want, you can chop your potato in iba't ibang shape. Then, I'm sure masarap to, mabango na siya. Is it right? Mabango na ba? Nakasan mo, mabango na ba?
Ay!
Mama! Just wait.
Punta ako na ba yan kasi papasok ako, pukulapit ako.
That's correct. Okay. Then, syempre, ang masarap na itong niluluto natin, pero ang mas magpapasarap na niluluto natin ang Maggi Magic Sarap, which is the all-in-one seasoning granules. Ibig sabihin, meaty na yung pagkain natin na niluluto. Mas pinamiti pa siya with Maggi Magic Sarap. And then, just simmer it. Add the marinated sauce. This one, if you marinate your meat, don't throw the marinated sauce because you can use it to put your cooking as a meaty and what we call tastier. And then simmer it first. Let's simmer it 3 to 5 minutes. This is my favorite knuckle leaves vegetable.
Mayo, patingin, nagpapasok ka.
Wala.
Oh,
Then,
Wala nga.
Hindi ka
Gulo ang audience natin. Oh, wala. Isuto ko na dito. Okay?
Hindi ko
Wait.
makita.
Okay, then I'll put the water to clean it. Just make sure that your utensils are very clean so that our food is clean and tastier. So that's why what we call this is my show, and my show was called this the Angel Mercado's Cooking Show. Okay, let's see it. Okay. I smell so delicious, huh? How about sa audience natin? Naaamoy nyo na ba? Oh,
Yes!
okay. Kasi ang napaka-delicious din niya is the Magic Sarap. So, let's see it if our potato is... Oh! It's hard pa. Matigas pa yung potato natin. Kailangan muna natin siyang palambutin bago natin i-add yung cabbage. So, let's add soy sauce again. Just a small amount of soy sauce here. And let's add a water. Water, let's add, half. Kung meron kayong mainit na tubig, pwede nyo yung i-add nun para mabilis na siyang mag-boil yung niluluto nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na hindi nyo mainit na tubig, kasi mas maganda kasi pag mainit na tubig kasi hindi na masasayang yung gas na hinihintay mo pang kumulo. Kasi pag mainit na tubig, kukulo na agad siya. How colorful was our viand for today. And this recipe, you may get this recipe through my Facebook account. Just visit www.facebook.com/AngelCmercado20. Just visit them. And please like our website in Facebook also. Okay? Let's simmer it first. Then, let's wait till the sweet potato is cooked. Kasi hindi pa masyadong malambot yung potato natin, kaya hintayin muna natin siya bago siya lalambot. Kasi as what I've said, 3 to 5 minutes simmer until na malambot ang ating potato. Okay. And while we are waiting, and magkwento muna tayo. By the way, my life was complicated. Not as complicated because mag-isa lang ako, but hindi. My family, I grew up in a broken family. My mother, my father was separated when I was in a high school. My mother went in Manila to work, and that's why ako yung pinakapanganay sa pamilya. Kaya ako yung tumatay ng nanay natin sa bahay namin. And napag-isipan ko na rin na pumunta sa Manila at magtrabaho. Kaya, naging okay naman yung pagtatrabaho ko. And now, medyo umangat ako ng buhay namin ngayon. And now, here, kailangan talaga may kasabihan sila. Pag may tiyaga, laging may nilaga. Kaya yun ang gagawin natin. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, mga fans. Kasi, pagdating ng paghihirap mo sa bandang huli, kayo din, makapagtagumpayan nyo din yan. Okay? Let's taste it first. Wait. It smells delicious. Malinamnam na yung meat natin. Do you want to taste it, friends?
Yes!
Okay, first, Princess Anne want to taste it. Wait, no. Masarap? Okay, masarap. Olesa, please get the video in here because i-add ko muna to eh. Kasi matawid ka ba?
This is
Alin?
a cabbage. Look at
And now, okay, our potato, Liza. Our potato is already luto na. It's already cooked. And now it's the time to add what we call this is cabbage. When I was watching Chef Boy Logro in Cooking Masters, he said that when he was a first time in cooking, he can't read cabbage, and instead cabbage he said kabagi when the boss of him na inutusan siyang bumili ng cabbage sa palengke. Sabi niya, pabili po ako ng kabagi. And siyempre, sa lahat naman ng pag hindi ka nakapag-aral, talagang gano'n naman po. Pero I was very, very proud of Chef Boy Logro. Kasi nagsaga siya, nagsipag siya, kaya nakarating siya sa kanyang naratingan. So, that's why, sana, one day, I hope, makarating din ako sa kinakaroroonan ni Chef Boy Logro. Hindi naman na gano'n kataas, but sana, at least, magiging matuto pa ako sa more inventions na darating. Okay? Let's have cabbage, and then, just simmer it again, because para lang maluto yung cabbage natin, and then, it's finished! Okay? Just wait. Okay. And cover it again 3 minutes more because para lang maluto yung cabbage natin. And meron kasing natin, mga watcher natin sa mga cooking, mahilig din sila sa half-cook lang. Pero sa akin, I also love half-cook, but not actually na yung hindi pa talaga naluto. Ang sa akin yung as in yung tama lang. Hindi naman siya half-cook, hindi naman siya overcook. Yung tama lang talaga. Kasi yun ang masarap eh. Kasi gusto natin yung tastier ng meat eh mapupunta din sa cabbage at sa potato. And now, okay, 3 minutes more. And now, while we are waiting, I have a plate here. And ito yung ilalagay natin for our finishing.
Plating.
Plating. Yes, plating. Okay, what is this? Plating. Now it's plating time. So, we have here our
Mama, naluluto din ako. Diba?
Ang bango-bango niya. Nagugutom na talaga ako. Gutom na ba kayo?
Bilisan mo kalabangon ko.
Gutom na ba kayo? Liza, bakit hindi ka na dyan? Gutom na ba kayo?
Kaya pa mo.
Gutom na gutom. Hindi lagi ko sa Facebook. Gutom na gutom. So, it's finished now. Here's our new recipe. The pork chop fillet with cabbage and potato. It's eating time. Thank you for watching.